Hey Marie, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So, as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips I'll give you and put them into action. The only thing I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful. But we'll go ahead and get started. The three things we'll be covering are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content. And content would be considered anything you can see here. That does include the words, but also the pictures and what your pictures are saved as. And Google typically likes to see about 1,500 words of content on the homepage of a website. And within those 1,500 words, that gives you the opportunity to be able to add in keywords and key phrases that people are searching for when they're looking for your services. So it certainly looks like you all have plenty of content, which is great. Awesome job there. My only suggestion would be to go through your content and see if you are able to add in keywords. That will help out a tremendous amount in getting you ranked on Google. So we'll move on to the next thing, which is citations. And I pulled up a quick search here. And the first thing you see is this section. This is called the map pack. And citations have a lot to do with that section. So a citation is basically your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. So you would want to go and see where your competitors are being listed within those directories. And you would want to grab those listings for your business. But then you want to double, triple, quadruple whatever it is that they have. So for instance, if your top competitor has 10 directory listings, you want 20, 30, 40. That's going to have you completely dominating them in that space, but it also helps you to rank high here in the maps. Moving along to backlinks. And backlinks have a lot to do with this section underneath the maps. This is called the organic section. And the way backlinks work is there's a website out there that has a link to your site. And it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say that you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop. And they've decided to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream, so it's not going to be very helpful for you. You would want to get links from other cleaning services that send a link back to your site and signal to Google that that is the industry that you're in. That will be a lot more unique and powerful because it is industry relevant. And I pulled up one of the tools that I use here just so I can kind of give you more of a visual representation of what I'm talking about. So I did put your site in, and it's showing currently you all have 13 referring domains, which is giving you 60 backlinks, getting you found for 28 keywords, and that's driving about one person to your site per month. And now I pulled up one of the competitors as well, and it's showing that they have 1.35 thousand referring domains, giving them 72.9 thousand backlinks, which is getting them found for 27.7 thousand keywords, and that's driving 17.5 thousand people to their site per month. So let's take a look and see if we can look at the keywords that they use here. So here's a perfect one, house cleaning St. Louis. This is short, sweet, and to the point, but it's perfect because it lists the service or the industry, and then it lists the location that this company is trying to target. So that is a great one. Let's see what else they have. House cleaning Beaverton, that would be another good one. House cleaning Portland, Oregon. So it looks like they're trying to target several different places, which is great. That just puts them in front of more people. And I certainly will not bore you and have you go through all of these keywords, but I hope that that at least kind of gives you an idea at least of the types of things you would want to integrate into your content. And really, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure you're being found in a lot of the same places they are. But as we talked about earlier with the citations, you always want to be far surpassing whatever it is that your competition is doing. That's the kind of thing that will get you on that first page of Google, but it will also give your competition a run for their money, and they're going to have a really hard time keeping up with you. But that's really all that I have for you today, Marie. I do hope that this video was helpful. If you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please do contact us. We would love to talk to you about that. But thank you again for your time, and you have a fantastic weekend.